Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to access your device's alarms, ringtones, and notifications via the ES File Explorer. Let's get started. This might be useful when you're transferring when you have a new phone and you like the ringtones or notifications of your older phone and you want the same sounds in your new phone. You can use this method for that. You have to go to emulator on the top left corner. I'll just show you over here. Just click on that storage. You keep on clicking on that until you reach the device section, then click on system, not the abbreviation of that, not SYS. You have to click on system, then media, audio, and you can find all your devices, alarms, ringtones, and notifications over here. You can even add new ones, but for that you need root access, and currently I do not have a root access root access to the ES File Explorer. Just in case, to show you, the root explorer is off. If you want to add new things into your devices, ringtones or notifications, there's another video. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe, and if you found it helpful, click the thumbs up below. Thank you for watching.